Hello friends. So my name is Vikas. I'm here to just in a new tutorial where I will be able to tell you that how to create a website in WordPress from the beginning. Even you don't know anything of WordPress, right? You would be able to create one website after watching this video. So I'm just going to start this tutorial. I'm just confirming, like, you have what are the requirements for this enabling your website to run, right? So for this, let us install a local web, like a local server. You can do it XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP, whatever is best for, like, you can install it. So I have installed this WAMP server. I'm running this over here. You can see that I have installed XAMPP, and I have started two services which are running as Apache, which is a server, and MySQL, which is database, right? Two things are very much required to run a PHP enabled CMS, content management system, WordPress, right? So we are having a minimum requirement. We have fulfilled this by installing this Apache server and MySQL database. It is a complete suite, right? Coming with XAMPP. So I'm believing that you have installed this XAMPP. After installing this XAMPP, what you have to do is you have to go to your computer's C drive where it is installed. Basically, I'm here. I'm starting this tutorial. So in this C drive, when you see XAMPP, right? So I have, two versions of XAMPP server. So I'm going inside the X1 where I have installed XAMPP again for my some reasons. You have to go to your directory of XAMPP, right? Or MAMP or WAMP, whatever the server you have installed. So for now, I have installed it in X1 directory. I am going into that, and I have to go into htdocs, right? Yep. So in this htdocs, you have to create one folder which is of your website's file will be stored over there. So let's say अपन एक folder create कर लेते हैं. So I'm just creating one folder over here which is of name, right? Anything you want to give it for your website. Let's say WordPress Ninja. This is a local site I'm creating uh, for your explanation. So this is created WordPress Ninja. Now what you have to do over here, you only need to go to your WordPress files, right? Which is downloaded from wordpress.org. The version I have already downloaded into my download folder. You can see over here that when I click W, so WordPress 5.6, which is latest version of WordPress, which is being downloaded already. So I have to unzip this folder, unzip this file. So I have unzipped version over here. This is WordPress 5.6. I have to click and one more level. So WordPress, inside WordPress, you will see all these files are already available. You have to Control A, copy them all, and where we have created a new directory in XAMPP server X1 folder, X1 directory. One moment. So you can see that in X1 directory over here, let me show you. C drive X1, and I have taken into htdocs where I have created a folder WordPress Ninja. What you have to do is you have to paste all those WordPress files inside this folder, right? Once you are done, let it be yeah, all these files from the WordPress are pasted over here. Now what you have to do is you have to go into your XAMPP server or WAMP, the server which you are using, and just go to the MySQL section, right, in configuration, where you have to create a database file. So let's say in this configuration directory, one moment please, I'm going here to admin side for this. So here is there's an admin section for, yeah, MySQL database. So you have to create a database file. Okay, so in database section, I am here on database and I am creating a database named as WordPress Ninja for your reference. You can put anything, right? Any name you want to give, you can give it. You can provide it simply. So I have created this WordPress Ninja to in this admin section of this XAMPP server so that I can relate this database and connect to our WordPress, right? When I will install WordPress, all those files for this storage purpose would be coming into this database section WordPress Ninja. So it is our main database that we have created. Now, after installing, after doing this particular part, you are done with basic configuration, basic things of creating a website, right? So I believe that all this section is well finds to you. Now I'm coming to the next section. Okay, so now we are going to install our WordPress, right? So how would we will be accessing, right, our WordPress website that we have kept a folder name as WordPress Ninja, right? So let us access that site through local server, localhost slash the name of our website, which is WordPress Ninja. Now it's time to install WordPress. The default language, the window is appeared, installation window is appeared. So the default language, which is English, United States, selected. So now I'm going to click on continue. Then, you know, for this installation, you would be required a database name which we have created as WordPress Ninja, database username which would be our root, and database password which would be blank. We would be setting it in going forward. I will tell you database host and table prefix. The prefix that is ever you have created database in earlier days, you have understood that this prefix required for labeling the table structure, right? So let's proceed now. Yeah, so database name, we have created a database. Let me show you. Localhost php my admin. The database which we have created is WordPress Ninja that we created, so keep here as WordPress Ninja. Username we have to keep as root, password should be blank. Then database host, we as since we are hosting this on our local PC, so we are keeping it as localhost. Table prefix kept as it is. Now submit this. Yeah, we are here on installation. Run wizard, just run this installation. When you go for a live installation, you are provided by the domain host provider, or your in your cPanel you are provided with the script for installation the WordPress, or you can do manual installation over there. So nothing to worry about that, you can do it easily, right? So I would tell for live version in later videos, right, in future videos. So let me just keep website title over here. Site title is test my first site, or this is my WP website tutorial. Username, see, if you see my previous videos for WordPress security, you would be understanding that this user is the name that you have to keep apart from your website's domain name, right? For the security reasons. So for now, I'm taking a username which is like WordPress or WP Ninja. Okay. So username is WP Ninja. Password, here you can set a password. Right? By default, you can see this password is appearing over here. But since you want to keep a new password, then I'm just keeping a new password as of now. 321 at the rate 123. Right? Just for you know showing you how things will be working over here. So confirm the this is weak password by suggestion from the WordPress end, but that's okay. For now I am showing you just for tutorial purpose. So you have to keep an email address, right? Let's say I'm keeping an email as Stacy Williams 18 at the rate protonmail.com. So I have just kept a default email, right? I can keep any email that I want to keep through for website administration's point of view. So you can keep it over there. Nothing to relate or nothing to worry about this side, this segment. You can keep your personal email or you can keep your work email that provided by host services, etc. Right? Okay. Now, since you want or you don't want to search engine visibility, you can just keep it here. So search engine visibility, discourage search engine from indexing this site. Do you want to discourage? Nobody wants to discourage, because you everybody wants to be top into 10 listing of the Google or any other search engine. So don't do discourage checkbox. Don't click on this checkbox, because search engine visibility is where we are here, right, for marketing and all. So don't worry about this. You just need to keep playing as it is. We don't want to discourage it. Now we are going to install our WordPress. Okay, so now since WordPress has been installed successfully and the password that we have chosen, we could log in using that. So WP Ninja, and the password which we have kept as at the time of creating this installation. I'm just keeping, I'm just logged in admin section. Okay, just wait and watch. We are being redirected to the dashboard of our WordPress. So yep, we are here. So we are inside our WordPress dashboard now. And I hope that you have understood these basic steps for creating this website. So what we have done, to recall, let's say we have installed our local web server, which was XAMPP in our case, and you can do it using XAMPP, MAMP, or any server, local server that you prefer, right? Or your Windows operating system supports. Once you are done with local installation for the server, you have to download WordPress. You have to unzip those WordPress files. You have to all you have to keep all those WordPress file into the folder which you have created in your local web server's htdocs document. You have to paste over there the name of your folder of your website. Into that you have to paste it there. All those WordPress files are residing now into your website folder, which is in htdocs. Now you have to go to your server's permission, give the permissions, and create a database. Once you create a database for your WordPress website, just run the installation script, which we have just shown you that how you can do it using selecting the default language and then proceeding with the username, passwords, and database selection name. Just install this WordPress. You are done with the installation. You are now, after logged in, you are into the dashboard. Okay. I hope this is very much clear to you. By now, we are here into the dashboard. Okay, so we are now going to customize our newly installed WordPress website. So let me show you how it looks right now. View your site. So the website is looking like this. There is no uh, like CSS professionally installed, or it's look like weird. So in order to improve its visibility, improve its appearance, we would be customizing this website for the, I'm telling you, इसको कस्टमाइज हम करेंगे. मैं बताऊंगा आपको कि कैसे किया जाता है कस्टमाइज. सो बेसिकली बिफोर कस्टमाइजेशन, I would like to show you some functions and some features of this WordPress website. Here in this section, you can see that this is a post section, right? All kind of posts of the website are displayed in this segment. The posts basically belong to a blog, right? So if you have installed any blog inside your website, so these are the sections in posts coming out there. So when you click on all posts, you will see number of posts over here. Okay, so many posts would be displayed here. All posts would be here. Once you would start editing, you can customize and edit the post, right? So this is how the post would be checked and edited, right? So I am clicking on edit. So you can just, perform your own. You can edit it even from this side, right? Mode of edit, we are in edit mode. So we can edit it. So let me show you how this edit. So here you can just drag and drop, let's say hello world. The title of the post, let's say we keep it as WordPress tutorial. Okay, and here some lorem ipsum text, right? I'm just uh, doing it for your reference. Okay, so update. Let me show you how it looks like. That the post we have updated, you can see over here view post. So we can see this WordPress tutorial and this updated version of this post. Okay, so this is very basic. Now I'm coming to the important part, which is customizing the site, right? So I'm just telling you the parts of this dashboard. So posts are there where you can find all your blog posts. Now you can add a new post, you can do it your own. Just create a post and you can select the category and just assign the category. If there is no category of your choice, you can add a category and do there, right? And you can put some sort of text inside your post, that so that end user could be fetched this data through search engines or through your website, right? By clicking on those tags, if you are displaying those tags to your website's blog page, right? Okay. Now coming to this media section. So media is a section where you would be uploading your images, your videos for your website's purpose. Okay. So this is very basic. You can just check that. Pages are the section where your website is showing with number of pages you are having, right? So I would be coming on this section later on. Let me show you. The comment is a section where you end user is commenting on your blog postings, and these comments would be displayed over here. You can just check if there is a new comment over here. You would see some notifications stuff, and you can just approve or reject those comments the user would be putting on your blog posts, etc., right? Now appearance, which is very important segment. Okay, so appearance is a segment which decides the look and feel of your website, right? The themes and all. So I am coming to this section. Let me show you some basic things. Plugins are the, plugins is a piece of code basically, which is kind of ready-made code template, which is designed and developed for fulfilling a specific kind of functionality. Okay, so this is like a ready-made code, piece of code you plug into your website and utilize its functionality. So using plugins you can get those features which are your website required, right? Let's say if you want to optimize your website, you can install some search engine optimization plugins. If you need some contact form, then you can install contact form plugin. If you need some sort of AdSense and Google verification kind of things, you can install Google plugin suite, and so on. So plugins basically third party, we can say, piece of code which you install in website to fulfill the kind of functionality. So users are the section where you are assigning roles to the end user, right? If you want to keep multiple admins, you can assign a role. If you want to keep an author role, that is a person who is creating post and adding to your website, you can assign author role. And a subscription, where the end user would subscribe your website for particular section, website section. Then these are the roles which are provided as a functionality by the WordPress. And it is the beauty of WordPress that bifurcate the interest based users, right? Some sort of we can say differentiation between the users, top level hierarchy to middle tier, and so on. So I'm now coming to the tool section where you can just do some sort of extra uh, uh, customization, some sort of import, export, website issues, and you can just brainstorm things with the help of these two section. Now, setting is a general term which is very much you are familiar with the setting that it controls the website setting, like what would be the website's title, its description, and its link structure, media access management, and all these are the settings comes under settings part, even webmaster's role and all. Okay, so now I'm coming to the main point where we need to customize the website. Okay, so we are doing this theme section. Just go to the themes. Okay, so these are the sections you can see over here. These are the themes, different themes you can see. Let me just install a new theme. Uh, we would be installing a new theme. Let's say it is not there, so I'm just searching for a new theme. In such a case, installing Astra theme. Let's install this. Yeah, I'm installing a new theme to give a new makeover to the website. Okay, so I've installed this theme. Let it get installed. Basically, a theme is what you see, the look and feel of your website, the kind of columns you are displaying, the kind of menu style and design and header section and all. These are very catchy stuff. And again, this is the beauty of WordPress, that you can have multiple kind of themes installed and check which one is you know uh, visible for your business niche and get it done. So activating it, it is installed. Now I'm activating it. The theme has been activated. Now let's see how our website looks. Let me show you. Since the theme has been installed, now let us build some sort of front page. Now, one moment, I'm just closing these tabs. Now I am here in plugin section. I will install a page plugin, right? So I'm just coming to this plugin section so that we could make over our website further. So here, let us add a new plugin, page builder, we can say. Uh, Let me show you this starter templates. Yeah, let us install this to make over our website further, and we would build our page using this plugin. So I'm installing this part of our website makeover. Let's get it installed. I will show you how the website gets changed. Now, since the plugin is installed, we have to activate it. So I'm activating it. Once it is activated, uh, we'll show you in the library that what kind of page we want to build and make over our website. It will import all kind of information for that template into our website, and we can then further customize it, right? So it would be more and more feasible for us. So let us see the library of the templates, and we'll choose one for our purpose. The kind of website that we want to build. Let's say we choose for now the Elementor page builder, Now, since these are the templates we can see available, now we would choose one for our website's demonstration. Let me show you some, one template which is not agency and coming as part of free for this library. Uh, let us see. Let us search over here. Let's say some sort of uh, digital kind of agency. Okay, so this is the template that we are getting. So let us click on this. So we want to customize this template. Okay, so we are importing all these template files into our website. So let us see. Let's get it import all those pages. First name. I'm just putting myself. Let's say I'm just importing it. Okay, so getting imported. Okay, so let's wait for some time. It is still importing. So once it is done, then we will be able to do further things. So okay, successfully activated this plugin by this action. Hmm, let's complete this import. It won't take much longer. Hmm, okay, so these are the steps that it is showing, that what kind of actions have been performed and what else it's remaining. So just let's get it. Then process a few minutes, size, speed conditions. Okay. Still importing. So I am just pausing this video for now. Let it get imported first. Okay, so our plugin is installed and now we have imported these template files successfully. Now we will see the site, that kind of makeover we have made. We will see the site and look and feel of the website. Wow, really fantastic, isn't? So you can see that this is the website that we have built. Now see the kind of things we have done. Feeling proud, right? Isn't? Of course, yes. Okay, so let us see with different pages of this website. देखते हैं क्या क्या changes हमें करना है, क्या क्या करना है हमें हमारी need के according. So you will see that these are the things that we have done. Wow, wow, super. So you can see these are the things that we have done. Isn't a professional looking website? Definitely it is. So let's now further customizing it. So customization is very easy. What you have to do, just go to this channel where into the dashboard you can directly customize it using, if you want to customize any of these pages, you can go to all pages section. You will find these pages mentioned over there as a separate page options. I will show you. Let us first customize this home page. Okay, see. So customize it. uh, let's see, if you want to change this logo to a new logo, we can do it. So edit there. Here you can see in section different logo for transparent header. So this is for responsive and mobile browsing purpose. So let us change this logo to a different one. Mm, let me show you for any logo if there is a case. Okay, so let's say this is a logo, Digital Web Ninja, which is, uh, let us change this to, okay, so now let us different logo for Retina devices. We want to keep it as same. Yeah, our logo has been changed. You can see over here. Okay, so if you want to see this logo, how it will look on different devices, then you can see here. Uh, one moment, I'm showing you. So if you change the width of this logo, you can directly check it from here. If you can increase, you want to decrease, you just do it your own. Let us keep it on 150, around 150. Okay, so this is the width of logo under 150. Now let me publish it. You can see this website is published. Okay, so let us see some different things. If you want to customize this website further and want to change some text, or like some settings are there. Let's say we will see some, we can change the style of the colors and look and feel from here. And we want to change, if you want to change the fonts and type of fonts, you can change from here. If let's say like if for font family is chosen as Poppin, you can change it, right? You can do it some exercise and you can just do it your own. Okay, so I'm coming to next section. uh, Apart from typography, color, you can change the base color and all. You can change the website theme style by changing this color. Let's say if link color, if when you click on any link, there the link should get light blue accordingly. If you want to hover on link, it would be displaying as blue. So you want to customize it, you can change it. So let us further check. uh, there are different styles for the controls. Now let us coming to the header section, like site identity. Okay, so this section, which is very important, right? So the tagline of your website, it is the title of your website, basically, I should say. So uh, learning, let's say change it, learning how to create WP websites. Okay, and display site, if you click on display, it will be showing under the logo or there, right? So don't do that. Your logo is fine, so unchecked it. Okay, so one moment. Okay, so here logo, so we need to change the logo. Select this, let's crop it for this size and set this logo. It is still cropping. For now, let us keep that. Okay, so we have this logo. Okay, so you can just change the uh, width of this logo again. Okay, that we have changed that logo for global website, and now this is for a header level display. So now you have done this. You have changed the site title. You have changed this tagline. Tagline is basically the description. Under description, I will show you how to change those things. So I'm publishing it. So you will see that website is getting changed and looks like what we have done for this. Now I will show you that this, instead of this server XAMPP icon, I want to have an icon of my website, that is Digital Web Ninja. So for changing that, what we can do here is on primary header, there is an option. Let's say one moment, I'm showing you. Site identity, home page, primary header, primary menu, transparent header, site identity. So in this site identity, you will see somewhere this site icon option. Just select it and upload the favy icon. We can say the favorite icon, fav icon. You can change it. So to do that, I have one Digital Web Ninja fav icon. I will show you by uploading it. Let me check it where it is. Yeah, site icon. I have uploaded it. I'm selecting it. Uh, this I don't want to crop it. So how it would be looking like this. So I want to appear as D and W. Okay, that is fine. When I see the preview, D and W are appearing over here. Okay, so I do a small crop for getting change this icon over here. Let us see. Some error in cropping, so don't crop. Let's skip cropping. Now you can see that this site icon has been changed over here. You can see the mouse cursor that it has been changed from this to that. Okay, and now publish it. Now let's say if you want to customize your pages, then how you can do it. Let me show you. uh, just go to this home page. Now edit page, click on edit page. You would be able to edit your website page, the home page basically. So let's say edit with Elementor. Select this. Now this page would be opening in this editor. Now see, these are the blocks, right? These are the blocks. You can change the text, you can change the style, you can change the way you want it to look like. Okay, you can, if you need anything added, you can add a section over here. So do a change basically. So let's say we change this fastest and most lightweight WordPress theme. I'm just changing this. Okay, so let's how you can see over here that this particular text is selected by this clicking. It is appearing over here. Who's website by WordPress Ninja. Okay, you can see at the same time it is coming on this page. If you want to change this text, you can just update from here only. If you want to this lorem ipsum one, you can simply change over here. Hello to all, and this text goes here. Just copying here multiple times so that this placeholder could be filled. Okay, so you can do it to fill the content in some way. It could be displayed accordingly. Okay, so you can see over here. Let me select this once again as a whole and show you this. You can see this content is getting changed. Okay, so this is how this section is edited. Now if you want to change any of these section, just select it and you can just edit it. Here is the image. You want to change this image, just click on this edit icon and just go come into the side left side. You will change the image. You can just choose an image from your library or whatever the place you have kept your image. You can simply insert here. If you already have that image, if you want to upload image, you can do over here. Okay, so this is how you can make over the website. Okay, so you can amazingly edit these website sections. I'm just coming to this footer section now. So for footer, in order to change this footer area, I will show you how it can be done. So this is all about page block editing, right? I hope that you can do it your own by customizing these sections. Okay, so let us revert it. I'm just traversing back to the original one. uh, in this mode, default in dashboard. Let Okay, so if you want to edit particular page, you can select the page you want to edit. If you can simply edit from selecting a page. Let's say if you want to change about, then you can just click on edit. The about page would be edited. If you want to edit it with Elementor, just select it and just go to this section. You can edit those things from here, as I told you in earlier way. Yeah, select the block, the thing is appeared over here. Just do it, do it, do it. Okay, I hope this is very much clear to you that how to customize those things. Now I'm just checking some advanced stuff that I need to tell you while customizing the website. Is like appearance in the footer section, right? So header and footer blocks, which is very important. So the footer, if you want to edit the footer of the website, you can just go to edit. With the help of Elementor, you can edit the footer area and you can place your links, your website pages and your icons, your social media stuffs. You can do manage directly from here. This is what this logo needs to be changed. Then simply click here, choose an image. We have already kept in, oh sorry, we have already there in our library. So in media library, just select this. Okay, insert media, your logo would be appeared here. For retina image, that is devices, mm, you can just keep for both. This this appeared here, right? If you want to see how it will look on different versions of different devices, then you can see over here. Let me show you. mm, Let me update it first. Once updated, in advanced section, you go to advanced and check it for responsive side, that how it will behave on different versions, different devices. You can change the attribution. Let me show you how. Style, normal, movement. So here you can see you can change different effect. Let's say somebody wants to hover on logo and you want to display some effect, it can be checked here, right? You can just do further customization with the help of this. uh, okay, so this is how footer could be edited. Information in footer could be changed. Social media icon could be edited directly here. You can just select and just change the links and all. You can do it your own. Okay, so let us change this look customization option. Now let me show you how you can control the one moment. So dashboard posts are there, media libraries there, pages are there, comment section. Whenever you be posting and stuff on your blog, it could be managed over there. So these are the sections of your websites you can manage. This is a form which is being used by this template under contact us section. So you will see Let me show you where the form is. So this is the contact. You will see there is a form utilized by them. Yeah, it is here. It is a form. Three fields are there: name, email, and message. So let us see how this work. Okay, so in settings, let us see what kind of administration email is placed. Mm, Setting in general. This is my first. This is tagline, which is description of the website. This is your local URL, which would be changed when you upload it onto live server. This is the administration email. Okay, so let me show you how WordPress form work. Let's say uh, we are in this section. I will show you. First, let us see the enabled form, all forms. See the forms we can customize. This is the contact form that this website is using. So if you want to edit and make some sort of additional fields, you can do it, right? If you want to import as it is, you can simply check it and get the details from the user's end. Okay, I will show you. Let it get loaded. It's still loading. So let me refresh it. Yeah, it is loaded. See over here, your name, your email, and your message. These are the fields which is being used by this particular form. So you can extra, if you want to add fields for the front end users to get information from his site, you can add over here. Things you can manage just by dragging and dropping over here. Okay, once you are done with that, you can get those information in the email, administration email, right? So these are the field options. These are the fields. These are the field options. Okay. So if you want to keep any field required, then you can just click on checkbox as required. That's done. Okay. So let's uh, check. Hmm, Contact form is there. One moment. Yeah. Let us fill this form. Your name, Michael. Uh, Michael Jordan, for example, email, uh, let's say Stacy Lynn, hi to web admin, and submit it. Okay, I submitted this form from the user side, and there's a message appeared as thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch soon with you shortly, right? So let's see if this message has appeared or not in this email. This is the one moment. If it is in spam, let us see if it has went in spam or is all mail checking. So, since we are not live yet, yeah, there's my reason that we are not hosted on server. So the email SMTP and other protocols are not working for now to get an email because it is stored locally. So you would when you would be installing on your server or you will be installing through cPanel, you would be getting those emails from the user side to your administration email. Okay, so this is how you can customize this entire website and work as a cool professional for your development. Okay, so this is how you can do and manage. I believe that I have informed, I have just put every information for customizing a website. So now if you like this video, if you learn the installation, if you learn the local server configuration, if you have learned the website theme options, customization, using ready-made plugins and all, then please do like and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Thanks. And please stay connected. Thank you.